Happy birthday, Maika. Nang hinaot ko nga, tagaan ka gataas nga, kinamuhigikan karon hangtod sa humat ni Aron. Nang hinaot ko nga, ikaw tagaan ka grasya sa akong Ginoong labang kagagahom. Aron, matuman ang imong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Ug mapabilin ang imong pagtahod sa imong mami o daddy. Ug ayaw pagwada ang paglaom sa imong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday.
Hi, my happy 18th birthday. Manghinaot piskay imong paglawas. Ug tagaan ka sa Ginoo ug maayong paglawas wis para nimo. Na matuman ang imong mga panghandoy uban sa mga pag-ampo. Again, happy birthday. My love ka namo. Dere, I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Maika. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Mai. Naot lang ta nga tagawin ka piskay sa panglawas. Naot lang ta nga mo. Pinarong ka sa mong pag-eskwela. That's all.
Hello, Maika. Happy 18th birthday. So, starting today, you are now a lady. But for us, you're still our little girl, Kulot Maika. As a celebrant, this is a big and a wonderful celebration because Tibo happens only once in our life. So enjoy it and be happy. My wish for you that all your dreams in your life will become true. Always remember that Lolo Boy, Mama Hilna, Papa Toy, and me, Avery, are always love you and cherish. Once again, happy birthday. We love you and we miss you.
Happy 18th birthday! Thank you for everything you do with me. Thank you for cooking my food. I love you, Aunt Micah, as a sibling. Thank you for everything, I guess. And have a good life. I hope that you and me have good health. Bye, I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Mai. More birthdays to come and good health. Then God bless you. I love you, Mai. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Maika. It's Ninang Chu here. Happy birthday. Wow, I can't believe you're already turning 18. It feels like it was just yesterday since I last saw you. Wishing you all the best and this new chapter of your life. Continue doing good in your studies and reach all your ambitions in life. I'm so proud and I'm so happy seeing you and watching you grow into a very pretty and kind young lady. Wish you all the best and God bless always. Love you. I hope to see you in the future.
Happy birthday, Maika.
Birthday, Maika. It's your 18th birthday today. Padayon sa imong plano, sa imong life. I know sa mga mami mo, daddy mo always support you. Once again, happy 18th birthday, Maika. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Please don't forget we are your Ninang and Ninong, okay? Bye.
Hi, Maika! Happy 18th birthday! May your day have filled with love, laughter, and fulfillment. Your Ninang is always absent, but you're still always in my heart. no? Last na nagkita, na di pa kaka-remember na ko, practice pa ka og lakaw. Since bago kang nataw hangtod ka practice kag lakaw, mao na to ang last. So, sige lang, nara may Facebook, maka-update naman ko nimo Permi, and enjoy, amping mo din ha Permi, and God bless. We love you.
Hi, Mai. Happy 18th birthday. Wishing you all the happiness on your special day. Love you. God bless you, Mai. Enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday, Mike's. Be a good girl always.
Hello, Micah. Happy birthday. Wish you the best of everything in life.
Ate Micah, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless. Happy 18th birthday. Regards to your mama, David, and your papa, to your papa also. Okay? Enjoy. God bless. Happy birthday, Micah.
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you have a very, very nice birthday.
Hi Ate Maika, happy 18th birthday. Wow, 18 ka na agad, ang bilis naman, nagulat ako dun Yan, mabilis lang talaga, kaya always be happy and keep on smiling and don't be scared to take on challenge kasi darating talaga yan sa buhay natin. I-explore mo lang yung pagkadalaga mo, i-enjoy mo lang, and kasi hindi na natin yan ma-rewind pagka tumandaan na tayo kasi puro na lang tayo trabaho ng trabaho. Ayan, and alam ko napakatalented mong bata at napakabait mo at napakaganda, kaya wala na akong hihiling sa iyo kundi ang happiness mo at maging successful ka someday. And of course, always love your parents kasi sila yung nag-guide at nakakaalam kung ano yung maganda para sa atin. Alam ko namang masunurin kang bata, kaya I love you and enjoy lang, and God bless and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Go. Hi, Micah. Happy birthday. Wish you have many more birthdays to come. Continue to be a good girl always, and be respectful to your mom and dad, and be a loving sister to your little brother. Once again, happy birthday. Mommy Ipyon is here for you.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday, Micah. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you more years to come to celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. From Love Love, Ate Lani.
Happy 18th birthday, Micah.
Happy Micah. Happy birthday, Mai. Happy 18th birthday, Micah, from Cebu. Wish you all the best, Mai. God bless. Happy Putanan. Love you, Micah. See you soon.
Hi, Mai. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Hi Ate Micah, happy 18th birthday. I wish all your dreams come true and may you have the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best and God bless you always.
Happy 18th birthday, Micah. I hope we have many more birthdays to come in your life. I miss you so much. I love you.
Hi Micah, this is Laura. Wish you a happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Micah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Micah.
Hello, Micah. Happy birthday, Mai. Love ka sa mga tao diri sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday, Mai.
Happy birthday, Maika. Hinaot ta nga hatagan pa ka og daghan pang mga katuigan nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi ug magmalipayon ka uban sa imong pamilya in Jesus name. Ug dugang mga paghinaot nga unta adunay mga katumanan ng imong wishes. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Hello, Maika. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maika.
Hi, Ate Maika. Happy birthday. Hi, Ate Maika. Happy birthday. Hi, Ate Maika. Happy birthday.
Hello, Maika. Happy birthday. Naot, patagang kakapiskay sa lawas. Ug daghang katuigan ug ang imong mga pangarap magmalampuson. Again, happy birthday and many happy birthday.
Hi, young lady. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and welcome to the age of legality. And I wish for you is finish first your study and pursue your goals in life. Eat in God, love yourself, most importantly your family, and be beautiful and humble. And again, happy birthday to you. We love you all. Bye.
Hey Maika, happy birthday. Amping kanunay, I love you. 3 years, 4 years up. Amping sa imong kinabuhi. Happy birthday, Maika. I love you.
Many moments in